Terraform Cloud and Pulumi are two of the leading tools for managing infrastructure as code, especially for teams deploying to AWS or Google Cloud. Both aim to simplify provisioning and automation, but they take different approaches. Terraform Cloud is built around a traditional DevOps model using a declarative language, while Pulumi treats infrastructure like software, written in real programming languages. The best choice depends on how your team prefers to work and how complex your infrastructure needs are. Terraform Cloud is the established standard for many operations teams. It uses HashiCorp configuration language, a simple declarative syntax that describes what your infrastructure should look like. It's stable, widely supported, and offers a massive library of reusable modules for AWS, Google Cloud, and other providers. Terraform Cloud also provides centralized state management, policy controls, and collaboration tools for teams. The trade-off is flexibility. HCL isn't a general-purpose language, so building complex logic or reusing components can be more limited. Still, for teams that value predictability, standardization, and proven reliability, Terraform Cloud remains a solid choice. Pulumi takes a more developer-friendly approach. Instead of learning a new syntax, teams can use familiar languages like TypeScript, Python, Go, or C# to define and manage infrastructure. This makes it easy to add logic, functions, and testing directly within your infrastructure code. Pulumi integrates well with modern CI/CD pipelines and is great for smaller, developer-driven teams that already use these languages. However, its ecosystem is smaller, and it requires more engineering discipline to manage code complexity effectively. If your team prefers a well-defined, standardized workflow with a mature ecosystem, Terraform Cloud is the safer and more scalable option. If you want flexibility, modern language support, and tighter integration between development and operations, Pulumi is a strong alternative. Both tools are excellent for AWS and Google Cloud environments. But Terraform Cloud wins on maturity and stability, while Pulumi stands out for innovation and developer agility.